Hi YouTube, for today's video we're going to make a ham and cheese torta. The toppings we will need are bread, cheese, tomato, avocado, onion, ham and mustard. First of all, we're going to spread all the mustard into the bread. There you have. Then we are going to add the cheese and the ham. We only need one piece of cheese and two of ham. We're going to add one here and one here. Alright. Then we are going to add the onion, tomato and avocado. Okay. We grab the avocado and put it, then the tomato, and finally the onion. There you have. Then you only have to put together the two pieces of bread. And there you have, ready to eat.